Hello dear students, in our last video we discussed that how to find the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now today we are going to solve our exercise 1E. Exercise 1E. See, as I told you that finding rational number between two given numbers are very easy. Very easy method it is, and we discussed through the examples in our last video. Now today we have to solve our exercise. So question number 1. Okay. A. You have to find one rational number between 6 and 8. 6 and 8. I will give you example of a number line. Okay. It is 0. Suppose 1, 2. So many numbers are there. Here somewhere it is 6 and here it is 8. So we have to find one rational number between these two, 6 and 8. And what comes between 6 and 8? 7. So answer you can write 7. Question number B. See that 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Only one rational number we have to find, so simply you can add them and divide it by 2. You will get the answer. Or as I told you, the same method you can follow. So I will solve both the ways. You can write anyone. Okay. So first one you have to add and divide it by 1 by 2. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. It is method number 1. So it will be 4 plus 3, 7 by 12. So 1 by 2 into 7 by 12. So this will be 7 upon 24. Or if you want to solve it some other way, so first of all you have to convert into denominators, you have to make equivalent. Okay. So it will be 4 by 12 when you make it equivalent, and it will be 3 by 12. 4 by 12 and 3 by 12. So one rational number to divide, multiply it by 2. 1 we are going to get, so 1 plus 1 by 2 we will divide up and down. Okay, multiply up and down. So it will be 8 upon 24 and it will be 6 upon 24. So what will come between 6 by 24 and 8 by 24? As here, suppose 6 by 24 and here 8 by 24. So in between you will get 7 by 24. 7 by 24. See the answer. This answer is also, and this. Both the answers are same. Any way you can follow. This is, first of all you have to add and divide it by 2. This method. And this method you have to make the fractions, whatever rational numbers are given, you have to make equivalent. Okay. And afterwards, suppose one rational number you have to get. So divided 1 by 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So by 2 you have to, up and down you have to divide. So this way also we can get our answer, and this way also we can get our answer, depending on you which method you are going to follow. So I will expect that if suppose less numbers of rational numbers, if it is asking, so you can follow this method. Okay, suppose 1 or 2 or like that. But if they are asking more than 3, 4, 5, so you can follow this method very easily. You will get all the rational numbers. So hope you have understood both the methods. Now we will move to our next question. Question is saying that you have to find rational numbers, but how many, that we have to see. Look at that. Question number 2. Find two rational numbers between. Question number 2. Find two rational numbers between 4 and 7. 4 and 7. You have to find two rational numbers. Look at here again on the number line. Okay. It is 0, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it is saying ki between 4 and 7 find two rational numbers. Okay. So you can see in between there are 2, 5 and 6. So answer will be 5 and 6. Okay. These two are the answers. Now in this question number C, 1 by 2 and 7 by 8, 1 by 2 and 7 upon 8. So I will be going to make it equivalent fraction, and then I will find the number of rational numbers between. So 1 by 2 and 7 by 8, when you will make it equivalent, LCM will get 8. So this will be 4 by 8 and 7 by 8. 4 by 8, suppose, and 7 by 8. So 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. You will get two fractions in between. Okay. Answer you can write 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Very easily you have got the answer. So this way also you can continue doing your questions. Hope you have understood. Equivalent, convert into equivalent fraction. Then 2 you have to get. Simply we have got, if suppose we are not getting, we have to multiply up and down by 2 means 3. Okay. 4 3 are 12 by 24 and 21 upon 24. Then you can get so many. But here easily we can get, so directly we can take it out. Questions are very easy, only you have to understand it proper way. If you are understanding the questions, the pattern, the way, method, so definitely you are doing it very easy way. Okay. There will not be any problem at all. Question number 3 you can see. Question number 3. 3 rational numbers between A, -7 and -3. Again refer a number line. It is 0 suppose. It is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So it is said that -7 and -3. In between you have to find 3 rational numbers. So you can see very easily -4, -5, -6. So answer you can write -4, -5, -6. Okay. It's C part. 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. 3 by 8 and 5 by 12. You have to get 3 rational numbers in between. So 8 and 12, first of all take LCM. 2, 4, 6, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. Okay. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 24. So make it equivalent. 3 into 3, 9 upon 24, and it will become 10 upon 24. 9 by 24 and 10 by 24. So 3 you have to get 3 rational numbers. So divided by 3 plus 1, 4. So 9 into 4 upon 24 into 4. 10 into 4 upon 24 into 4. 36 upon 96 and 40 upon 96. Between 36 and 40, 36 upon 96 and 40 upon 96. So here we have 37 upon 96, 38 upon 96, 39 upon 96. So 3 numbers we can get in between very easily. So our answer will be 37 upon 96, 38 upon 96 and 39 upon 96. So you can write it as answer. Very easy way you can calculate. Question number 4 is also same way you have to do. So rest all other questions are homework. Your homework questions are question number 1, part B and D. Question number 2, part B and D. Question number 3, B. Question number 4, all. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 8 questions you have got as homework. So hope you have understood. Try to follow the method and solve all the questions given in the book. Maintain your copies, classwork as well as homework. Thank you.